there. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today we're going to talk about a very exciting event that's happening this Saturday, June 4th, and that is the Suns Out Buns Out rollout. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating, which I think that you do, I think that you should hit that notification button and subscribe so that you can find out when I post new videos, which is every week, usually on Tuesdays. If you want to support this channel, head on over to www.cheerstothequeers.com, where you can get all sorts of cool roller skating accessories and regular accessories like these sunglasses, and it supports our channel. But as much as I want to tell you about the Suns Out Buns Out rollout, honestly, I'm not the expert. So let me go find someone who is. Oh, Courtney Shove.
Hello. My God, is this Queer Girl Straight Skates?
Yes, it is.
Huh, interesting. What can I do for you?
Can you tell me about the Suns Out Buns Out rollout?
The best rollout in the world? Yes, I can. Suns Out Buns Out is a rollout that I've hosted for now 3 years, and it is on Saturday, June 4th. A rollout is when a bunch of people on wheels meet up at a certain place at a certain time, and they skate to the same destination in a giant group. It's beyond fun. It's like roller skate heaven. This one is a body posi rollout. I encourage people to show up in swimsuits or anything that makes them feel empowered that they're usually afraid to wear. So whether it's like, hey, I hate shorts, just wear the shorts. Or you're like, I've never wore a thong bikini before, wear the thong bikini. There's safety in numbers, and it's always hundreds of people, so it's gonna be amazing. We're meeting at Junipero Hill in Long Beach, California at 10:30 a.m. and we'll roll out at 11. If you're afraid of skating down a hill, don't worry. You can park in the paid parking lot down the hill and then just wait there. A lot of people do. Most of the rollout always waits down there because they're like, hills? No, thank you. But you can also take a staircase. So if you do park up for free, just take the staircase down and you'll be just fine.
If I want to try hills for the first time, can I there?
There'll be people that will help, but not always. So if you don't have a helper or you don't know how to toe stop down backwards, I would suggest safety first and just go ahead and take the staircase and be like, not today, skate away. We are skating from Junipero Hill to Lions Lighthouse, and it's about 2.5 miles, I believe, maybe 3. So it's not too bad. Sometimes it can take 30 minutes to get there. We will take a break. It'll be a lot of people, so it could take 40 minutes to get there, but you're gonna be so high on the energy, it's gonna feel like nothing. Once we're there, we all kind of just like hang out, catch our breath, take pictures together, have a gay old time. And then you can just leave, or we can skate back together. It's just like easy breezy. You do whatever feels good. There's really no rules to the rollout except for like maintain the stoke, no fat phobia, no homophobia, no racism, no everything that's an ism that is bad. If you are there and you are judgmental, basically don't show up if you're not open to all people. If you're not on roller skates, you can skateboard, you can take a bicycle, you can, what else? Oh, inlines, anything that's wheels. I've literally seen people run before, like literally run in a rollout. This year, I'm hosting a night at Pigeon's Skate Rink. It's the Suns Out Buns Out after party. Tickets are for sale now. And what it is like, it's gonna be the theme of Rhinestone Cowgirl. Gabby Shy, she loves everything cowgirl. And she was like, what about Rhinestone Cowgirl? And I was like, yes, I freaking love it. I personally would be dressed like Lizzo and Dolly Parton had a baby, a love child. That will be me. And it's going to be so much fun. There's going to be a raffle, and all these roller skate businesses have donated prizes. And I can't wait. It's a rink party at Pigeon's Roller Skate Rink. It's going to be so much fun. You don't need tickets for the rollout. Rollouts are always free. It's public access. If you just show up, if you're skating on the beach path and you see a bunch of skaters, just jump right in. It's open to all. The rink is what you will pay for. It's $30 for a ticket. Raffle tickets are Jack 2s. That's the biggest one from MoxieSkates.com. We have Project Pinup gift bags. We have Cheers to the Queer. That's Rebels stuff. We have 3 gifts from her. T-shirts, $100 gift cards to Derby Warehouse. There's socks. There's blocks. Oh my gosh, there's so many things that I can't even go. You just have to show up. If you're scared to come, I totally get it. just show up, and showing up is literally half the battle. If you can only make it 5 minutes in, 1 minute in, or your anxiety gets the best of you, hey, you tried. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder and just chill. That's okay. Sometimes rollouts can be a little too much for people. Hosting a rollout can actually be a lot of work. It's making videos like this, it's doing promo videos, it's reaching out to people for like sponsorship, choosing themes, answering questions 24/7 on my social media. This will be the first year that I am trying to get some sort of profit to pay for my time, because I'm realizing that every year people ask if they can donate money, and I always say no, but this time I'm valuing my time a little more. So we will have t-shirts for sale. They will be Suns Out Buns Out Long Beach 2022 screen printed shirts that we will have for sale on fatfemfatale.com. They're only $20, so please support me. Every ticket to the after party, I will get $10 of that. So I really appreciate when you do come. That Pigeon offered giving me $10 per ticket. So that's so amazing. I'm so grateful. And also the raffle, only $1 for a ticket. So, and only $1 for a ticket. So that also is like a tip to me. If you're not going to come or you don't want a shirt, if you go to fatfemfatale.com and you see a link to a blog post that says Suns Out Buns Out, there is a tip button. And literally, if you send me a quarter, I will love it. Eventually, I want to take this money that I earn and save it so that I can travel to do rollouts. I've been saying this every year, but it's always something, a pandemic, this, that, whatever. But I want to take it serious. Like hopefully next year, I will be traveling this year with Rebel, and hopefully we can link up some sort of rollouts. But any support would be greatly appreciated. You can find me at FatGirlAsMoxie on Instagram. Another thing that I invented is hashtag FatSkateLove. It's kind of became like a whole thing of its own, and I love it. If you are someone that's a plus size, aka fat skater like me, and you want more representation, or even if you're not fat but you wish you saw other skaters of shapes and sizes, please go ahead and follow the hashtag FatSkateLove to kind of get a look to see what other skaters in the world look like.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. I hope I see you at this weekend's rollout. It's going to be amazing, and I absolutely cannot wait. Again, it is on Saturday, June 4th, and it's in Long Beach, California, meeting at Junipero Hill, and it's gonna be awesome. So I'll see you there, and most importantly, cheers to the queers!
I've got a rebel soul. 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 Just get down with it, down with it, down.
Bowie, you want some pina colada? Mmm.